Alright y'all, we got a really sharp 2016 model MACK CHU613. MACK MP8, 505 horse, turbo diesel power. MACK MDRIVE, 12-speed automatic transmission. Dual exhaust, single line wet kit. Jost pin-up style fifth wheel for an end dump, but you can pull the pins down and it does swivel. Air ride suspension, 14,000 pound front axle, 38,000 pound rears, all polished aluminum on this truck. Y'all want to talk about sharp. Really nice fenders on the back there. $100-gallon driver side tank, 75-gallon passenger side tank. Good 11R, 24/5 tall rubber on it all the way around. Cruise control, full diff lock, engine brake. $344,000 miles on this truck. Sharp truck right here, y'all, inside and out. Radio works. Power windows, power locks. I did forget to mention that. If y'all would like to come see this truck, it'll be located here at 13601 Highway 45 North Finger, Tennessee. You can also check it out on our website, southern-equipment-llc.com. As always, we thank y'all for watching our videos. We look forward to you coming to see us.